Hey friends, welcome back. If you love cooking or simply want to upgrade your kitchen, this list is for you. Today, I'll be reviewing the best cooking utensils to buy that are trending on Amazon. These highly rated products combine durability, practicality, and affordability. And before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more reviews.
Number 8. Restaurantware German Cheese Cutter. The Restaurantware German Cheese Cutter is built for precision slicing of soft or hard cheeses. Featuring a high-quality stainless steel wire and sturdy frame, it ensures clean, even cuts every time. Perfect for cheese boards, sandwiches, or professional plating, it makes serving both easy and visually appealing. The ergonomic handle offers comfort during extended use, while the durable build ensures long-term performance. It's lightweight yet sturdy, making it easy to handle for home entertainers or professional chefs. Easy to clean and store, it's a versatile tool for any kitchen. Whether you're preparing appetizers, snacks, or specialty dishes, this cheese cutter delivers consistent results that enhance presentation and taste. A must-have for cheese lovers and anyone aiming to serve dishes with style and precision.
Number 7. Stainless Steel Semi-Automatic Whisk. The stainless steel semi-automatic whisk simplifies mixing, whipping, and frothing. Designed with a push-down handle, it spins the whisk head automatically, allowing for quick, lump-free mixing without electricity or batteries. Made from durable stainless steel, it's rust-resistant, easy to clean, and built to last. Ideal for whipping cream, mixing eggs, frothing milk, or blending sauces, it delivers consistent results every time. Its compact design makes it easy to store, and it's dishwasher-safe for convenience. Perfect for both home cooks and professional chefs, this whisk offers efficiency without sacrificing quality. Whether you're making breakfast, baking, or preparing desserts, it saves time and effort while delivering perfect textures. It's a practical, reliable, and eco-friendly addition to any modern kitchen.
Number 6. Dream Farm Mini Spoon Silicone Spoon. The Dream Farm Mini Spoon Silicone Spoon is a compact, versatile kitchen tool designed for scooping, scraping, and serving. Its flat silicone tip allows you to scrape every last bit from jars, pans, and bowls, while the curved shape works perfectly for stirring and measuring. Heat-resistant and BPA-free, it's safe for cooking on any surface, including non-stick cookware. A unique built-in rest keeps the spoon head elevated, preventing mess on countertops. Dishwasher safe for easy cleaning, it's small enough to store anywhere, yet functional enough for daily use. Ideal for sauces, condiments, or baking tasks, the Mini Spoon is a multi-purpose essential. With its clever design, durability, and versatility, it's perfect for both quick meals and elaborate cooking projects, making it a must-have kitchen companion.
Number 5. 2023 Herb Scissors Set. The 2023 Herb Scissors Set makes chopping fresh herbs fast, clean, and precise. Featuring 5 sharp stainless steel blades, it cuts herbs like parsley, basil, or cilantro directly into your dishes without bruising them. This design saves time and eliminates the need for a cutting board, reducing cleanup. The ergonomic handles ensure comfort during use, while the included cleaning comb removes residue quickly. A protective blade cover adds safety for storage. Perfect for adding fresh flavor to salads, soups, or garnishes, this set is ideal for home cooks and professionals alike. The durable construction ensures long-term performance, and its compact size makes it easy to store in a drawer or utensil holder. This tool is a smart, practical upgrade for any kitchen focused on flavor and efficiency.
Number 4. Pull-Out Cabinet Drawer Organizer. The Pull-Out Cabinet Drawer Organizer helps keep your kitchen neat and efficient. Crafted from heavy-duty steel with a sleek chrome finish, it can hold pots, pans, or pantry items securely. Its smooth ball-bearing sliding system ensures quiet, effortless movement, giving you easy access to items stored in the back of cabinets. Installation is straightforward, with all necessary hardware included. This organizer is ideal for maximizing space in smaller kitchens or making large kitchens more functional. It keeps your essentials organized, visible, and within reach, reducing time spent searching for items. The durable build ensures long-lasting use, while the modern design fits seamlessly into any kitchen style. Perfect for anyone looking to improve storage, accessibility, and organization without major renovations or expensive custom cabinetry.
Number 3. Chicken Shredder Tool Twist. The Chicken Shredder Tool Twist makes shredding cooked chicken, pork, or beef fast and easy. Instead of using 2 forks, simply place the cooked meat inside, close the lid, and twist to get evenly shredded results in seconds. Made from BPA-free, food-grade plastic, it's safe for your family and dishwasher-friendly for easy cleaning. Its compact size makes it easy to store in any kitchen drawer or cabinet. This tool is perfect for meal prep, tacos, pulled pork sandwiches, chicken salads, or soups. It saves time, keeps your hands away from hot meat, and delivers consistent shredding every time. Lightweight yet sturdy, it's designed for both home cooks and professionals who want efficiency without sacrificing quality. It's a must-have for busy weeknight dinners or batch cooking.
Number 2. Merton & Stork 10-inch Frying Pan Skillet. The Merton & Stork 10-inch frying pan skillet delivers professional-grade cooking performance with ease. Made from premium carbon steel, it heats quickly and evenly, offering the searing power of cast iron with lighter handling. This skillet is perfect for frying eggs, sautéing vegetables, searing meats, or even baking in the oven. It's compatible with all stovetops, including induction, and develops a natural non-stick patina over time without harmful chemicals. The ergonomic handle provides a secure grip, while the durable construction ensures it will last for years. Lightweight yet strong, it's ideal for both beginners and seasoned chefs. Whether you're making a quick breakfast or an elaborate dinner, this frying pan offers excellent heat control, versatility, and reliability for all your everyday cooking needs.
Number 1. Well-to-be 6-blade vegetable spiralizer. The Well-to-be 6-blade vegetable spiralizer is a must-have for healthy meal preparation. With 6 interchangeable stainless steel blades, it transforms vegetables like zucchini, carrots, and sweet potatoes into beautiful spirals, ribbons, and noodles. The sturdy suction base keeps the spiralizer stable during use, while the compact design makes it easy to store. It's perfect for low-carb, keto, paleo, or plant-based diets, adding creativity to your cooking without extra calories. The removable parts make cleaning simple, and the durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. Whether you're preparing a fresh salad, vegetable pasta, or garnishes, this tool saves time and delivers professional results right at home. For anyone looking to eat healthier or experiment with new recipes, this spiralizer offers excellent functionality, convenience, and style.
Thanks for joining me for the top 8 best cooking utensils every kitchen needs today. These tools are designed to save you time, enhance your cooking, and keep your kitchen efficient. If this video was helpful, please like it, share your go-to utensil in the comments, and subscribe for more reviews. And don't forget to check the description links for updated pricing, special deals, and full product details on today's featured items.